It's a new 2019 Ford Fusion. Step up and stand out in this innovative sedan that ramps up the driving fun. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Voice activation, Ford Pass Connect Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, Ford Pass Connect remote engine start smart device, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Bluetooth streaming audio. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Sam Pack's 5-Star Ford, every vehicle we sell is thoroughly inspected before you buy. Come see us today. We're conveniently located on the Northeast Loop 820 at Root Snow Drive in North Richland Hills.